Today's topic is tannins. Okay, so most of the drugs are there. These are having this one particular property. Tannins means what? When this one particular material that is became in contact with our protein portion of the our body. Okay, it causes the precipitation of the protein. So likewise, the actions are there that should be there in case of the tannin. Suppose some of the microorganisms are there. So when you're going to be take the tannins, so the precipitation of that one proteins which are to be present in the microorganism is occur, and because of which the microorganism get killed. And in this way, we get antimicrobial action. So somewhere in case of that one, when we are going to make a shave, after shaving there is a bleeding is there should be observe. So when you're going to apply alum, so the bleeding get stopped. So these are the actions are there which is to be there is observe. This is because of the tannin. So some of the drugs are there which shows this action of the tannins are there, that is a amla is there, then hirda is there. You have to be observe that one particular amla which is to be used in the treatment of the त्रिफळा is there. Okay, त्रिफळा चूर्ण आपण बघितलेला आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये आमला, हिरडा, बेहडा, likewise the drugs are there. Okay, so these are the fruit portions are there which shows the presence of the tannins are there. Some of the leaves are there, such as your eucalyptus leaves is there, then bark is there also. So most of the all the bark that shows the presence of the tannins. For example, arjuna bark is there, then neem bark is there, or any type of the plant which is having a bark portion that shows the presence of tannin, and this property is observed in case of that one particular drugs. Okay. So the next one is there. Tannins are the natural compound. Okay, tannins are natural compounds are obtained from the natural sources. Most of the leaves are there, bark are there, fruits are there, roots are there, or root barks are there, from which the tannins are there that is to be obtained. So these are polyphenolic in nature. The action of this one particular compounds are there. This is because of the polyphenols are there. So these are the polyphenolic in nature. It contains para polyhydroxybenzoic acid. This polyhydroxybenzoic acid is having an astringent action. This causes the precipitation of the protein. So now these tannins are there. There are the two types. High molecular weight tannins are there, and somewhere there is a low molecular weight tannins are there. This provides protection to the plants uh, while their growth is there. So the tannins are there that is formed, because of which they give the protection to the plant from the herbivorous animal. Some of the insects are there, bacteria are there, and other things are there, because of which these are there that is not to be found in case of the plants in the surrounding of the plant body. They are not to be found. So in this way, they are getting the protections. Okay. Let's someone is a So these they provide protection to the plant, especially during the growth, herbivorous animal. जसं जसं प्लॅनची ग्रोथ होत असते, तर त्यावेळेला टॅनिन्स जे त्याच्या बॉडीमध्ये प्लॅनच्या बॉडीमध्ये तयार होत असतात, and that gives protection. So some of the herbivorous animals are there, grazing animals are there. From that one, they are getting the protection. Okay. Some students are there that are waiting. 1 minute. So these are the compounds are there. Okay, so why we are going to use, or where they are to be found? These are there that are to be found in case of the leaves are there, bark are there, or immature fruits are there. In case of this one, tannins are there, that is we observe. So the concentration of the tannins are there, that is we more when they are to be unripened. Depends on the maturity of the fruit, the concentration of the tannins are there that are to be goes on decreasing. Okay, so these are the parts are there where the tannins are there, that is you observe. Now the uses of the tannins are there. Tannins are used in case of the antidiarrheal, then antibacterial, antidote in case of the alkaloidal poisoning. You know that alkaloids are there that in very small quantity they are to be more active. They shows more pharmacological action. So if someone is taking the or that alkaloid get in their body, so the higher doses are there somewhere, the poisoning is there should happen. So in that case, if you ingest the tannin containing solution or ask that patient to drink this one tannin containing solution, the what are the alkaloids are there that get precipitated. Because of which their pharmacological action of the alkaloid is there is not to be there. Then that should be used in case of the use as a hemostatic. I give the example, when there is a bleeding, is there just you have to be apply this one tannin containing drug, the blood get immediately blocks. So, then it used as a mild diuretic. Then in case of the leather industry, the drug is there, it should be utilized, then used as a astringent to the inflamed mucous membrane somewhere because of the microbial growth or some of the reaction is there or allergic reaction is there should happen, because of which there is a inflammation is there. So in that case you can use, then use as a stomachic also. These are the some of the uses of the drug is there. Okay, these are the common uses of the tannins are there. So the next one is there, how we are going to taste this one particular drug, how can you came to know that the drug is the tannin one or not one? So in that case there is a one official taste is there, I'm going to say official taste, that is known as a gold bitter skin taste is there. So in that case just you have to take the sample sample of the drug. Okay, sorry, sample of the ox of the intestine, or some of the portion of the intestine which is to be gained from the ox. Okay, wash it by using water, then soak that one particular skin in 2% hydrochloric acid solution, then wash it again with water. So what is the debris are there that is removed by this one. So after washing with the water, the excess quantity of the HCl is also get removed. Then what, by using water, the excess quantity of the HCl is removed. Then place this one solution in a tan solution, or the drug extract or the mixture is there which shows that the drug it contain the tannin. In that case, then wash it again with for 5 minutes. Again wash with water, and then place this one in a 1% solution. If the color of that skin of the intestine is get changed, then that indicate that the tannin containing solutions are present. एक स्किनचा पोर्शन घ्यायचा आहे ॲनिमलचा, ऑक्सचा, बरोबर आहे. त्याला वॉश करायचं आहे वॉटरने. वॉटरने वॉश केल्यानंतर त्या पोर्शनला 2% HCl सोल्युशनमध्ये तुम्हाला थोड्या वेळाकरता बुडून ठेवायचं आहे, 1-2 मिनिटाकरता. नंतर ते बाहेर काढायचे, पुन्हा त्याला वॉटरने वॉश करायचं आहे की एक्सेस ॲसिड जे आहे त्या स्किनवरचं निघून जाईल. नंतर त्याला अशा सोल्युशन की जो ड्रग म्हणतोय की त्याच्यामध्ये टॅनिन्स प्रेझेंट आहे, त्या सोल्युशनमध्ये तुम्हाला डीप करून ठेवायचं आहे 5 मिनिटाकरता, बरोबर आहे. 5 मिनिटाकरता डीप करून ठेवल्यानंतर त्यामध्ये तुम्हाला तो बाहेर काढायचा आहे आणि पुन्हा त्याला पाण्याने वॉश करायचं आहे. वॉश केल्यानंतर त्याला 1% फेरस सल्फेट मध्ये बुडून ठेवायचं आहे. जर स्किनचा कलर जर चेंज झाला, ब्राउनिश कलर झाला किंवा ब्लॅक कलर झाला, सो द ड्रग इट कंटेन टॅनिन्स. Likewise, assumptions are there that is there. Okay. Now the tannins are classified into the two types, that is a true tannin and pseudo tannin. खरे tannin आणि खोटे tannin. True tannins and the pseudo tannins, likewise the classification of the drug is offered. Now in case of the true tannin there is a two types, that is a hydrolyzable tannin and a non-hydrolyzable tannins, or we can say that condensed tannins. Okay. So What are the properties of the hydrolyzable tannins? They are hydrolyzed by acids or enzyme. ऍसिडने किंवा एन्झाईमने त्याचं हायड्रोलिसिस होतं. सेकंड वन, द टॅनिन्स फ्रॉम द गॅलिक ऍसिड. गॅलिक ऍसिड जर असेल तर वी कॉल इट एज अ गॅलोटॅनिन. एक्झाम्पल रुबार, क्लो. ओके, in that case the gallotannins are there that are to be present. Second one, tannins from the ellagic acid is known as the ellagic tannin. Pomegranate, डाळिंब, आपण मराठीमध्ये त्याला डाळिंब म्हणतो. ओके, so pomegranate is the example of this one, and eucalyptus leaves is there. Okay, now they gives dark blue color when we are going to treat that one by using ferric chloride solution. जर hydrolyzable जर tannin असले जर तुम्ही जर त्याला ferric chloride सोल्युशनची ट्रीटमेंट दिली तर you are getting a blue color. Okay, for example, you are performing a test, तुम्ही प्रॅक्टिकलला टेस्ट करतात तर क्लोच्या टेस्ट केलेल्या होत्या, सिनेमन बारच्या टेस्ट केलेल्या आहे, बरोबर आहे. जर इन दॅट केस इफ यू आर गोइंग टू ऍड फेरिक क्लोराइड सोल्युशन, इफ यू आर गेटिंग अ ब्लू कलर, दॅट गिव्स यू द टॅनिन्स इज देअर, दॅट इज अ हायड्रोलायझेबल टॅनिन. सो एक्झाम्पल आपण जर बघितलं तर गॅलिक ऍसिड पासून जे मिळाले तर गॅलोटॅनिन, बरोबर आहे. जर त्याला जर हायड्रोलायसिस केलं तर तुम्हाला त्यापासून गॅलिक ऍसिड मिळेल. जर इलॅजोटॅनिन असेल तर त्याचं हायड्रोलिसिस केलं तर तुम्हाला त्यापासून मिळेल इलॅजिक ऍसिड. ओके, सो दिस इज समथिंग अबाउट टू टॅनिन्स. ओके, नाउ non-hydrolyzable tannins, or we can say that condensed tannin. The non-hydrolyzable means they are not to be hydrolyzed either by acid or by enzymes. Okay, on treatment. Second one thing is there, they are to be present in case of the bark. Okay, which bark? Cinnamon bark is there, cinchona bark is there. They shows the presence of that one, non-hydrolyzable tannin. When they are to be treated by using ferric chloride solution, they gives you a green color. In short, hydrolyzable tannins असले तुम्हाला ब्ल्यू कलर मिळेल, किंवा ब्ल्यू कलर मिळाला दॅट इंडिकेट दॅट hydrolyzable tannins are present. Green color मिळाला non hydrolyzable tannin. In this way, this differentiation is there. Okay, and say this one because sometimes the question is asked, differentiate in between the hydrolyzable tannin and condensed tannin. So these are the examples are there. Okay, now the next one is pseudo tannins. So what is the concept? Pseudo means they are not actually the tannins, but they have some of the chemical component because of which they shows some of the reaction just like action reaction. Actually ते टॅनिन्स त्याच्यामध्ये नसतात, परंतु ते टॅनिन सारख्या प्रॉपर्टी तुम्हाला दाखवतात, तर त्याला आपण म्हणतो pseudo tannins. But they are having the high molecular weight. Okay, gallic acid which is to be obtained from the rhubarb is there. That is an example of this one, rhubarb rhizome. त्याच्यामध्ये catechin like cacao, acacia, then chlorogenic acid like coffee is there. So these are the examples of pseudotannin. So in this way, hope all of you understand classification of the tannins. Please reply. Have understood this one? I'm not receiving the reply from all. Please reply. Okay, thank you. So the next one properties, now properties of the tannins are there. They form a colloidal solution. Colloidal solution म्हणजे काय, ते पाण्यात टाकल्यानंतर रँडमली ते कोलाइड ते मूव्ह होत राहतात, कंटिन्युअसली मूव्ह होत राहतात. ओके, so we call it as a colloidal solution. Okay, so tannins produces the colloidal solution with water. They are non-crystalline substances. They are not non-crystalline substances are there, means amorphous, very fine powder is there, that is you observe regarding that one. Okay, so the aqueous solution, when you taste this one, जर तुम्ही जर त्याची जर टेस्ट केली, aqueous solution तयार करायचं, त्याच्यात litmus paper टाकायचं, that gives you a red color. Red color means what? Blue litmus paper changes to the red color. These components are there, that is acidic in nature. Okay, they have sharp taste. Okay, taste, then they have astringent property. They when this one tannins are there that should came in contact with the alkaloids, okay, gelatin, okay, they get causes the precipitation of the alkaloids gelatin. जर अल्कोलाइड्स किंवा जर जिलेटिन मध्ये जर तुम्ही जर टॅनिन जर टाकलं तर त्या ठिकाणी त्याचं प्रेसिपिटेशन करतात, कोणाचं, अल्कोलाइडचं आणि जिलेटिनचं किंवा प्रोटीन्सचं. आणि ते जर टॅनिन्स हेवी मेटलच्या कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये आले ते ते स्वतः प्रेसिपिटेट होतात. okay, means they either they are going to precipitate the others such as alkaloids are there, gelatin is there, or the proteins are there, or somewhere they themselves get precipitated when they are to be contact with the heavy metals. Okay, so these are the properties. Now what are the chemical tastes? Tannins with perichlorate. If hydrolyzable tannin, they gives blue color. If non-hydrolyzable or condensed tannin, they use dark color. Okay, it form precipitate with alkaloid, gelatin, proteins, and they themselves get precipitated by the metals are there. With sulfuric acid, the sulfuric acid ची जर ट्रीटमेंट जर तुम्ही टॅनिन बरोबर केली तर यू गेट येलो कलर. ओके, आणि the vanillin hydrochloric acid is added into that solution, you are getting a red color or the pink color. Okay, so tannins are there. How they are to be extracted? Tannin कसं extract करायचं plant पासून? This is the general method is there. The powder the drug, extract with water and ether. Okay, saturated ether, or just you have to take the water saturated with ether. Means unless and until both are there, that are to be shake vigorously. In water, large quantity of the water, you are going to add ether and shake it vigorously, and after some time just you have to separate that one. Okay, or add sufficient quantity of the ether, just you have to prepare the mixture. Okay, then in that case you are going to add tannins or the solution which containing tannin that you have to be added in case of this one. एक वॉटरचं आणि इथरचं मिक्सचर घ्यायचंय, वॉटर आणि इथर. तर त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला टॅनिन्स जे सॅम्पल मध्ये टॅनिन्स आहे ते तुम्हाला टाकायचे आहे, बरोबर आहे. इथर लेअर जे आहे तर त्याच्यामध्ये पिगमेंट वगैरे जे आहे, क्लोरोफिल पिगमेंट्स वगैरे, that gets separated in case of the ether, whereas water it shows the presence of the tannin. Then separate that one. Ether as well as water is not to be miscible with each other. Separate both the layers. Okay, upon separation collect the water layer. Okay, concentrate that one water layer and dry this one, you get tannin. So this is a simple procedure either by which you are getting that tannin. Okay, so hope all of you understand. Student, rejoin the meeting if after 10 minutes. Okay, so we are going to study the drugs from this one category. So from this one category, this is drug is there is known as a black catechu. Okay, the synonym of this one drug is there, that is a कुच, कथा, कधीर. हे तीन वेगवेगळे synonym आहे. काय काय आहे? कुच, katha and kadir. These are the two synonym of this one particular drugs are there. Now black catechu, all these one source drugs are there, that is these are the aqueous extract, concentrated aqueous extract which is to be obtained from the plant Acacia catechu, that is belonging to the family Leguminaceae. Water extract आहे, black catechu काय आहे, वॉटर एक्स्ट्रॅक्ट आहे आणि ते प्लांट पासून मिळवले गेलेले. ओके, these are the water extract which is obtained from the plant. Heartwood of the plant is known as a Acacia catechu, that belonging to the family Leguminaceae. Now कुठे मिळत आहे, that is found in Myanmar and in India. Okay, so catechu consists of the two parts, katha and kuch. These are the two parts are there which is to be observed in case of the plant. Kuch is used in India as a masticatory form in ancient time. म्हणजे पूर्वीच्या काळी आपण masticatory purpose, chewing purpose किंवा other purpose करता we are going to use this one particular drugs. Okay, and females are utilized to tan their skin. मेहंदी वगैरे जर लावत असेल तर त्यामध्ये सुद्धा या ड्रगचा वापर जो येतो त्या ठिकाणी करत असतात. ओके, सो कलर, याचा कलर कसा आहे, डार्क ब्राऊन कलर टू ब्लॅकिश कलर. ओडर नन, टेस्ट ऍस्ट्रिंजन किंवा सबसिक्वेंटली स्वीट. taste is there. Okay, size near about 2 to 5 centimeter size. Then cube like or the brick shaped pieces are there that is you observe in case of this one particular drug. Chemical components, catechu. Okay, catechu त्या नावावरूनच कॅटेचिन हे केमिकल कॉम्पोनंट्स आहे. अकेशिया त्याचं बायोलॉजिकल सोर्स काय, हार्टवूड ऑफ द अकेशिया कटेचू. अकेशिया आणि कटेचू या नावावरूनच त्याच्यामध्ये chemical components are there that are to be present. Acacia catechu, a catechin and catechin. Okay, these are the, then other are there that is a gum. Then quercetin. Quercetin is the one tannin which is present in case of the drugs. Okay, now how this one drug is there should be taken, take the heartwood of the plant. Okay, extraction or the preparation, take the heartwood of the plant, cut it into the smaller pieces, then boil that one particular drug in a earthen vessel. पाणी घ्यायचं earthen vessel मध्ये आणि त्याच्यामध्ये तो drug boil करायचा आहे. After boiling, filter that one. What is the filter you are going to get? That concentrate that one, and after that one, just you have to which shape you want. Just you have to be take pour that one concentrated extract into that one and allow to cool. Okay, so from one plant you are getting near about 20 kg of the tannins are there. Okay, so what are the tastes of this one particular drugs are there? So these are the chemical tastes are there. With vanillin and hydrochloric acid you are getting a red color. Then drug plus lime water that gives you brown color. Drug plus ammonium sulfate that gives you green color. These are the chemical tastes for this one drug. Okay, uses, drug is used as a astringent, then cooling agent, then digestive also, for that one purpose the drug is used, then tanning purpose. So these are the uses of this one particular drugs is there. Okay, now the second one drug is there, that is a pale catechu is there. Okay, the drug is there is also known as a gambhir catechu. Okay, so this is the synonym of this one particular drug is there, that is a gambhir catechu is the one. Now the biological source, that is also tissue obtained from the leaves. मागचा जो ब्लॅक catechu होता that is to be obtained from the wood. This one is there, it should be obtained from the leaves. Okay, black catechu, pale catechu question विचारला जातो. So this is the one. So the source of this one is there, that is a aqueous extract or the plain extract of the leaves portion or the young shoots are there, that is should be obtained from the plant phase is Uncaria gambier. Okay, that belonging to the family Rubiaceae. So now the drug is there, that is found in Singapore, then Sumatra. Okay, so the Sumatra benzoin is there. Likewise, the name you have to be observed. Okay, Singapore मध्ये आणि Sumatra मध्ये the drug is there found. In case of the India, the drug is there should be used for the chewing purpose. In case of the piper betel, आपण पान वगैरे खातो तर पान मध्ये जो काथा यूज केला जातो, so that is a pale catechu is there. Okay, now the in cube shape the drug is there should be observed. Color is there is to be dark one or the brownish color. Odor is none. Taste is there is to be bitter one initially and afterward astringent and the sweet one. Okay, so the chemical components are there, that is a catechin is there, catechinic acid त्याच्यामध्ये आहे, other catechin, red, quercetin, then gambhir नावावरूनच त्याच्यावर chemical components आहे, that is a gambhir fluorescens are there, fluorescent compounds are there. Okay, in case of this one, so this is the one extraction procedure is there, that is you observe in case of this one drug. Okay, so what are the leaves are there, same one procedure as in case of the black catechu. leaves वगैरे जे असतील तर त्यांना पाण्यामध्ये बॉईल करायचे. जस्ट यू टेक अ वुडन pot, just base of that one wooden pot is there should be made from the metal is there, then the concentrate that one particular mixture. Okay, on concentration you get a syrupy liquid. The syrupy liquid is poured into the wooden frame. जे syrupy liquid तुम्हाला मिळेल त्याला wooden frame मध्ये टाकायचे and allow it to cool. Okay, so when the form a semi-solid mass, just cut by a knife, you are getting that one large masses, that is on the tannins are there. Okay, so in this way these are the tannins. Then chemical test, matchstick या ठिकाणी एक आहे टू मॅच स्टिक चेक म्हणजे एक आकडे घ्यायची जस्ट डीप दॅट वन पर्टिक्युलर मॅच स्टिक इन टू द सोल्युशन विच कंटेनिंग द tannins. Okay, then concentrate after that one give the treatment of the concentrated hydrochloric acid and place or hold that one near the flame. The gas जवळ ती काडी जी आहे ती होल्ड करायची फॉर सम टाइम, not on a gas burner. Okay, near to that one the swarmness is there, you are getting a red color, that is because of the fluorogasinol. Then drug with the vanillin hydrochloric acid that gives you a red color. Uses astringent, the treatment of the diarrhea and a local astringent. Likewise the uses of this one drug is there. Okay, this is about your pale catechu. Now the next one drug is there, that is a Pterocarpus is there. जर हे जर झालं तर मी बाकीच्या तुम्हाला उद्या व्हिडिओ लेक्चर टाकेल. ओके, a class 1 drug that is from this one, that is a Pterocarpus. याला मलबार किनो असं म्हणतात किंवा इंडियन किनो असे म्हणतात, then कोचिन किनो असे म्हणतात. The drug is a unorganized drug is there that is obtained from the juice of the plant Pterocarpus marsupium. Okay, the juice is there should be collected by making an incisions on the plant is there that belonging to a family Leguminaceae, that is should be found in India is there, West Bengal, Assam, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Orissa. Likewise the drugs are there, areas are there where the drug is observed. These are the some of the morphological property of the drugs are there. Then constituent, it contain by synonym quino, Malabar quino, quinotannic acids are there that are to be present. Then catechol is present. Then tannins are present. These are the tests with ferrous sulfate that gives you green color, with potassium hydroxide that gives you purple or violet color, with mineral acid that gives you precipitates. Uses used as astringent for diarrhea, then dysentery, bleeding gums, toothache, diabetes. In that case, the drug is there is to be used. Then for painting, also the tanning industry, clothes la stain करण्याकरता the drug is there is to be utilized. Okay, so in this way your tannins